Need some clean water for your next camping trip or even a power outage where the water's not working anymore? I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way I know to take dirty water and make it clean and drinkable. So let's go ahead and let me show you how it works. So all you need is two 2-liter bottles. I'm going to cut the top of this part of the bottle off and the bottom of this one off. So now we have something to put the water into, but how are we going to clean the water? Well, for that, there's something that I carry in my first aid kit. So I'm going to take some of these out, put them right there. Not going to tell you what it is yet. And over here, these are compressed towelettes. I always carry these with me. These are awesome. It's about the size of a little Necco wafer. You ever seen those? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the neck of the bottle as a filter. But what does this do? Let me go ahead and show you. Here's some nice clean water. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in here just for a few seconds. Whoa, look at that. I don't know if you can see it grow. Let me take that out and show you what it did. It actually expands into a very strong towelette. You can use these for cleaning your face, for washing pretty much anything, for eating, and in a pinch, let them dry out. They make great toilet paper. But look how strong these things are. Okay, so I'm going to take that and put it over here because we don't need that one right now. And I need to dry off my hands because if I try to put one in that bottle while it's wet, we're going to have a problem. So I take a dry one and I'm going to push this all the way down here so it goes in to the neck. Now I want it to stay there, so I'm going to put a little bit of water just to make sure it starts to expand. Oops, already it's expanding and it's not coming out. Okay, so this is going to go in here, and all I need to do is pour my dirty water in here and it'll siphon down in there. Let me show you. Here's the nice dirty water we're going to drink. And it's going to start dripping through there nice and clear. Now this is not a water purifier. This is a pre-purifying step. Just to clean out the garbage and the bugs and the debris so you have clean water. Once you have clean water, you go to the next step. You can see the water is going down there and it's actually going through that nice clean cloth. And what's dripping down in the bottom is clean water that you can then purify by using what we call an aqua tab. This is what I keep in my first aid kit. They come just like this. This one has 30 tablets. It'll clean up to 60 quarts of water. All I need to do is take one of these. Each one of these papers has quite a few of them. So what I'm going to do is just tear one off, and you can feel the tabs in there, the little aqua tabs inside. And I'm going to open this up. So this little 49 milligram tablet will actually remove 99.9999% of all bacteria, viruses, and cysts. So it'll do quite a bit for this water. Now, is that going to clean the water 100% purified? Probably not. Yes. So if your water is questionable, you're going to probably want to boil it. But in most cases, for household water, let's say you had to get it out of the tub or something like that, or from a stream, or for rainwater, in most cases you're going to be fine. So all we're going to do is go ahead and let this filter and see how much water we're going to get from there. Probably, it might take a few minutes, so let's give it another 10 or 15 minutes to see how we do. I had to do a little adjustment that I'll tell you about. The water was coming out really slow at first, and that's because I created a vacuum. So I went ahead and poked a little hole in here with my knife just to get a little air going in, and the water's coming through a lot better. But look at the difference between the dirty water on the top and the clean water on the bottom. Now all you would do is you would take this, open it up, take your little aqua tab, put it in, and we leave that for 30 minutes and we have nice drinkable water. So there you go, dirty water, drinkable water. And like I said, if it's real questionable, you're going to want to boil this first. Otherwise, drink away and you're all set for your power outage or your next camping trip. So I'll have the links for both the aqua tabs and the compressed towelettes in the description below. Please share this with your friends, because if you need clean water, this is about the quickest and easiest way I know how to do it. So with that, be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. Ooh, drinkable water.
Hasn't been 30 minutes yet.
Oops, thank you. and I had the drainage hole as I was pouring it out. Here I am drinking it. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. One accident after another.